My name is Sam Lurker. I had hair restoration with Dr. Goodman. I'm having hair restoration done because I had breast cancer 8 years ago. I knew when I started chemotherapy that I would lose my hair in 14 days, but did not have any idea that I would not get it back. When I came in for my PRP procedure, I went into the room. I was numbed on the top of my head. They did a blood draw, spun that down, and then injected it into the top of my head. When I saw the results after the PRP, I felt like that there was a hope that it would come the rest of the way. Dr. Goodman says, we have something called exosomes that I would like to try on you. So she sends me pictures, I research it, I call her back, and we're ready to start. Hopefully they will bring me the rest of the way with my hair restoration. I absolutely have an ally with Dr. Goodman. She's been wonderful, walked me through everything. She'd been through it. It wasn't a doctor or a radiologist calling me and telling me. It was Dr. Goodman calling me. Dr. Goodman makes sure that she stays on the cutting edge of all new technology procedures out there, and that she had went as far as to find out if chemotherapy patients would benefit from exosomes, and is always thinking of her patients and clients. I wouldn't have anyone but Dr. Goodman taking care of me.